Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the calm before the storm, before the breakthrough, before the wave of blessings come through. It seems that things are being really silent around you, and you've been in a journey of darkness or wilderness where you're wondering, when are you going to come out into your breakthrough? It's getting a little silent, and you get a little nervous when things get quiet. You're wondering, what is going on? Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ is actually about to shake up your world in a great way and throw you everything that you've been asking for, your manifestations, your blessings, so you transition into a new season. I breathe, live, and grow with the light within me. I do one thing at a time and focus on the present moment. When you stay in the present, you can always stay happy. You always will be free. You're not locked in the past. You're not locked up in the future thoughts of what have been, because that's the old you and that's no longer you. And then the future of wondering and then having so many anxieties. Well, is this going to happen? What's the timing? Timing is perfect. It happens at the right time. You're in the right place. I cast off my doubts and all fear dissipates, and I find peace in my being. Find peace. Ride the calm. Be a calm fire as far as a fireplace and not a wildfire, wondering when are you going to get to the next level. Just go with the flow. Warm the community where everyone can come sit next to you and they won't be burnt. Keep positive energy, positive thoughts. That's what manifests positive blessings. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. And I'll love you too. I'll talk to you later.